Welcome to TechQuest. Client says, I have a storage unit full of servers that need to go out right away. So what do you do? So here we are at the storage unit taking a look for the first time what needs to go out. And as you can see, we've got a ton of peripherals. Those are the rack mount servers with rails and hardware, some boxes there, and more servers there as well. So to prepare all this stuff, everything has to be wrapped in bubble wrap and boxed up accordingly. And this is how it looks. There's Raul, and as you can see, little by little, boxes are getting full of equipment, and now the truck has arrived and the guys have to start palletizing stuff. Now it's time to load up the truck. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more like it, hit subscribe and feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.